Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Salesflare account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you assign a deal or opportunity to a team member in your Salesflare account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to assign a deal or opportunity in your Salesflare account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe you work with a large sales team, so sometimes you want to reassign a deal to a different sales rep. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dash. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Salesflare, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to assign a deal or opportunity to another team member, here on the left side, you're going to click on opportunities. Once you do that, look for the deal you want to assign. So for example, this one right here. Once you click on the deal, this box is going to pop up here on the right. And you can see this one is assigned to me right here. So we're going to go ahead and edit that. Once you do that, scroll down until you see assignee. And then you're going to go ahead and just start typing in the name of your coworker. Once you see their name, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to click on save. Now, this is just to assign one particular deal. If you're looking to assign an account, that's a different process. It's going to be handled here on the accounts. Once you click in there, you're going to click on the account you want to assign. So for example, this one here, Yahoo. And then once you do that here on the right, if you scroll down, you're going to see the team that's working on this particular account. You can just click on manage, and you can go ahead and add in other team members just by typing in their name. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to assign a deal in your Salesflare account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.